everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Artland. For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Among Us skin, but in a siren head form. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Make sure to turn on the notifications and click the subscribe button if you guys are enjoying these videos. And let me know what other kind of videos you'd like to see, especially some of these different Among Us skins. I know there's so many different ideas we can come up with. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video today. To start off with our Among Us Siren Head skin, we're going to begin right here with the face mask. You want to start in the middle of your paper, make a line that curves out, and bring it right back to here. Next, take this line, bring it down, and connect it. Starting here at the edge of the face mask, you want to make a line that goes down, bring it over, and up just a little bit. Next, draw this line over and draw another line that goes down. It's going to go over and bring it up. I'm going to start up here now. I'm going to go and draw a line that comes to about here. Leave a little space. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring it all the way down to this leg that I drew. Now, lined up with the face mask, I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down and in like this for the little pack. Next, we want to make the little top of our Siren Head Among Us skin. So to do this, you want to start here, draw a line that goes down. It's going to curve over and up. I want to start with one here, so I'm going to make a small oval shape that's going to go down and up. Next, starting at the top, you want to draw a line that's going to curve right around that oval shape, and it's going to come right to here. And bring another one that's going to come in, and it's going to go right down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to curve over, and then it's going to come down. Starting here, I'm going to draw another one that goes up, I'm going to curve down, and then just bring it up to here, and connect. Inside of here, I'm going to make a oval shape. I'm going to draw two little lines here and two little lines here. And I'm going to put a few little lines in there for teeth. Same thing here, two little lines, two lines here, and some teeth. Starting here, I'm going to add a little broken curved line right along the edge of each one. And right here on the body here, I want to add just a little bit of detail. So I'm going to make just a few little curved lines on here and a few little curved lines on this side, just for a little bit of detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Siren Head Among Us skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.